1, 4.
Mm-hmm. And last one.
And 3, 5.
3, 5. That's. Oh, sorry. This was down. 4 squares down. Sorry.
Oh, minus 4. Minus 5. Minus 1.
So
Minus 5.
that would be if it started at minus 1.
And minus 5. 3 and minus 5.
That would be.
3 and minus 6.
Hold on. 1 minus 4.
Minus 3.
Well done. Minus 3. Yeah. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. This is positive 1. Well done. Okay. So if it goes to the left, it would be negative for the first one. If it goes down, it would be negative for the second one. Okay, let's try this.
So 1 and minus 4 would be 4, 1. 4, 1.
Mm-hmm.
1 and 1 minus and 1 and minus 1 would be 4 and 4.
Mm-hmm.
2 and minus 1 would be 5 and 4. Not minus, just 4. Yeah.
That's it. 4, 1, 4, 4, 5, 4. Where are we? 3 squares. Oh, no. That one was 3 squares left. 3 squares to the left, not to the right. So what do we have to do with those ones?
Oh, minus it.
Yep.
Minus 2. The first
Mm-hmm.
one. Minus 2 and 1. Minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and 4.
Mm-hmm.
And minus 1 and 4.
Minus 2, 1. Minus 2, 4. Minus 1, 4. Minus 2, 1. Minus 2, 4. Minus 1, 4. Okay, let's try this question 1. So I think I'll put that there.
Okay, let's try and get an example. Okay, so 1 and minus 4 would be 5 and minus 4.
That would be 4 squares to the right. We want 4 squares to the left.
Oh, minus 3 and 4.
This is minus 1. So only the first number changes because it's to the left.
And then minus 3 and minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
Minus 2 and minus 1.
Minus 1. Question B.
Easy. I'd say choose something. 1 and minus 6. The next one is 1 and minus 3.
Mm-hmm.
And the last one is 2 and minus 4.
Close.
Oh, 3, I mean.
Yep. Well done. And have you done these in school previously?
No.
Okay.
But I remember doing coordinates on my SATs test, on my SATs practice.
Uh-huh. Okay. So, let's see. Question A.
A is at 4-1.
Question A. This thing down here.
Oh. Nice. I'd put it um mm, um okay.
And so where is this? Yeah, well done. -4, -2. Okay, so we have to draw where the new shape goes. Do you want to try drawing it, or you can tell me? It's up to you.
I'll just tell you.
Okay. And so,
So B
mm-hmm.
to the left, so then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's B.
Yep. And has the shape gotten any bigger or smaller if you slide it across?
No.
And so you can, rather than move all four corners, once you have one of the corners, you can just begin to draw the shape from that. So like B is 2 to the right, 1 down from A. So you could just say 2 right, 1 down and draw it that way.
And then you could put C2 below.
So C is 2 below B. Yep.
And then 2 to the left is D.
Yep. And then you can join those up. Well done. Okay, question B. What are the new coordinates?
Then I just do that.
So you have to. So instead of saying 2 down and all that, say what the coordinates are.
So B is -2 and -3.
Yep.
C is -2 and -5.
Mm-hmm.
And D is -4 and -5.
Well done. And part C up here.
So B is at -2 and -3. Oh, wait, no. Does it mean, yeah.
So it's moved again.
A is 2 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So A is, huh? How's A up there? Should be off the grid.
No. From the new one. So it's 4 to the right and 2 squares
Oh.
up from its new position. So the red one is moved 4 to the right and 2 up.
Okay. And then, okay. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 up, 1, 2 is 0. Exactly. B 0, 0. A.
A 0 0. Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Then B is minus 2 and 2.
Mm-hmm. Wait, minus 2 and 2. Which one was B? Minus. So if it moves 4 to the right, 1 up. And so what are 2 minus 2?
Yeah.
2 squares up it should be.
Oh, wait. Okay, I'm just gonna give myself some. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Must be.
So you can start at B.
1,
4 right,
2,
2 up.
3, 4. 1, 2. I don't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yeah.
Okay, what's that coordinate?
Minus 1 and 2.
2 minus 1. Yep, 2
Yeah,
minus 1.
minus 1.
Okay. How about C?
C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Is 2 and minus 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then D is 0 and minus 3.
0 minus 3. That's great. Any questions about that?
No.
It's a tricky one. Translations.
Oh, nearly there.
Okay, reflections. So the blue triangle is reflected in the y-axis. It becomes the green triangle. So the point 1, 2, what is its new coordinate?
2, 1.
It's this one here. It's not 2, 1. What is it?
2, 2. 2, 3.
Slow down.
2, 1.
That is, well, it's minus 1.
Oh, it's 2 and minus 1.
And it's x first, y second. So minus 1, 2.
Oh yeah.
So you can see there the 1 became negative.
I thought the blue was the one that was flipped.
Ah, yeah. So yeah, the blue becomes the green.
Then for 1 and 5, I'm guessing it's minus 1 and 5.
That's right. How about this one?
Minus 3 and 1.
Well done. And so a reflection in the y-axis changes the sign of the x-coordinate.
Actually, you just throw a minus on the front.
Mm-hmm. Okay, this time the blue triangle became the purple one. And so the point 1, 2.
1 and minus 2.
Yep.
1 and minus 5.
Mm-hmm.
And 3 and minus 1.
Very good. And so a reflection in the x-axis changes the sign of the y-coordinate. So it's always kind of the opposite. How about this?
The y-axis, it's -1 and 1,
Mm-hmm.
-3 and 0,
Mm-hmm.
-4 and 2,
Mm-hmm.
-2 and 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then for the x-axis, it's 1 and -1,
Mm-hmm.
3 and -3. I mean
No.
0.
Mm-hmm.
I was just again looking at obviously. And then 4 and -2. And then 2 and -3.
Hold on.
It's really easy.
I agree. How about this? You can try drawing it, or you can tell me. Kind of tricky.
How'd I tell you?
Yeah, I don't know.
Mm.
Because they're like,
I might as well do it on
Okay.
try. There.
So that's 3 to the left, 1 up. So 1, 2, 3. Yep. Okay.
There. And there.
Very good. So this one was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 down. 3, 4, 1 down. Yep. This one here, that's 1, 2 away. So 1, 2 on the other side. And you're good. The reflections are cool. Okay, let's try this malarkey.
-4 and 1.
So first one, they want you to draw the reflected shape onto the grid.
Oh. Can you?
Yeah.
So n is at 2, 1.
2, 1 is over
Oh,
here.
1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
1, 2 is there.
So that's 2, 1.
Reflection in the y-axis.
M
Oh, sorry, in the
is
x-axis.
M is 4, 1.
That would be reflection in the y-axis. We want reflection in the x-axis. Oh, hang on. There's 2. It happens twice, does it? Sorry, this is a double reflection. So you first reflected in the x-axis and then in the y-axis as well. Okay. So this is n. So what's going to happen there? Or what is the coordinate of n?
-2 and 1.
So that is -2, 1. Okay. So what will that be after reflection in the...
-2 and -1.
So that's a reflection in the x-axis and now reflected in the y-axis.
Yeah, I'm confused. Are we
So
doing the x-axis or the y-axis?
we have to do both. The question wants us to do both.
X-axis. N is already -2 and -1.
Mm-hmm.
And then in the y-axis, it's 2 and 1.
2 and minus 1.
Yeah.
So let's see. So first it reflects to here, and then second it reflects to here. And so that is the point N.
Wait, if it's y-axis, how is it -1?
Because it's both. It's two reflections, one in the X, one in the Y. So they both changed sign.
Oh, wait. Do you mean like... I'm really confused. So it like changes it to the x-axis and then it changes from the x-axis to the y-axis.
Yeah, so the question says the triangle is reflected in the x-axis and then from its new position it is reflected in the y-axis. So we have to do both. We have to do two reflections, one in the x-axis, one in the y-axis.
Okay, and then for M, it's -4 and -2.
Minus
Next to -4 and -2.
4. For M, is it?
M -4 and -2.
It starts at -4 1.
-4. Oh yeah, -4 and -1,
Mm-hmm.
and then 4 and 1.
4 and minus 1.
-1.
Yeah. So that one is 4 minus 1. And L.
Oh. It's currently 5 -4.
-4 5.
-4 5. So it will be -4 and -5,
Mm-hmm.
and then it will be 4 and -5.
Very good. 4 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That goes there. And last thing we need to do to draw the reflected shape.
And then reflected in
We join them up.
no.
Connect the dots. Okay, question B.
Into the final coordinates of L. The final coordinates of L are 4 -5. What is the final coordinates of M and N? Your color palette thing is in the way, so I can't see.
This one is it?
Yeah, okay. M is... Wait, which one's M? M is 4 and -1.
Oh, so M is 4 minus 1. Yeah.
And N is 2 -1.
2 minus 1. That's great. Whew, double reflection. Okay. Any questions about that?
No.
Tricky. And so what do you give yourself for reflections?
3/4.
Okay. That's that stuff. Next is statistics. Okay, let's give this a go. Let me just move this. Okay, let's try this.
Can I go to the toilet quick?
Okay, you be quick.
Okay, 17 is the fifth year. So blue is 12. And green is 2. 10.
10, yep. Hold on. Okay. How about these?
This is chart above. How many children were asked in total? 12 at 10 is 22. 22 at 2 is 24. 24 at 5. 24 at 5 is 29. 29 at 1 is 30. So 30 children in total.
Question 2.
I wonder what that other colour was. Maybe like orange.
What other color?
Because it says other, which means that one child picked a colour other than purple, green,
Ah,
and
yeah.
red. So it might be like orange or purple.
Mm-hmm.
Orange or yellow, probably.
Mm-hmm.
And which colour is chosen by the 11 children as their favourite? Red.
That's red, and that one is 30. Great. Okay, let us try this one.
So how many letters did the boys from year 6? 8. So the number is 8.
Mm-hmm.
How many more letters did year 3 swim in year 3? Wait. So you mean like, wait, is it like, are the girls total added onto the boys, or is it just a load more than the boys?
It's
It's like so the year 6 boys are 8, and there's the year 6 girls, 2, 4, 6, 17.
yeah. Well, altogether they'd be 17.
Oh, so it's just like the girls is.
They're just on top of it. Yeah.
Okay. How many minutes did year 3 swim in year 5? So year 3 swam 2, 4, 15, and year 5 swam 8.
Mm-hmm.
15 minus 5, 7.
Well done. See.
At the end of the swim, the head teacher announced that in total the boys have 7 more legs than the girls. Was the head correct? Write down how you know. I would say yes, because if you look at the chart, year 4 and 3 swam more than the boys. So for year 3 and 4 boys swam more than 2 times more than the girls did in year 3 and 4.
So she said exactly 7 more. She said exactly 7 more. So how could you check if it was exactly 7 more?
So it's definitely more for boys. So 2, 4, 6. So 7 in year 3.
So for, let's say year, so that's 7 in year 3. No, it's not 7. So I just work out how much is in each box.
Yeah, so year 2 boys are 4. Year 2 girls are 2, 4, 6, 9.
7.
Huh? 2, 4, 6.
It's like 11 take away 4.
2, 4, 6, 8. No, what? Look at it. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, that's 11. And there are 11.
So 11 take away the 4 boys.
Huh? No. Oh yeah, 7, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then and then I'm just gonna do all of them. I'm gonna count up the boys and then count up the girls and then do boys, whichever more. And then year 3, the boys are at 10, and the girls are at 4. Year 5.
Yep.
Year 4, boys are at 11, and girls are at 1, 2, 4, 6, are at 7.
Mm-hmm.
Year 5, boys have 5 and girls have 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then year 6, boys have 8, and then the girls have 2, 4, 6, 8 as well.
I think it's a bit more.
And 9.
Yep.
And then, okay, so 8 add 5, that's 13. 13 add 4 is 17. 17 add 11 then is 28. And 28 add 10 is 38. So boys have 38. Yeah. And then girls have 7 add 7, 9 and 7 is 16. 16 add 5 is 16 add 5 is 21. And 21 add 7 is 28. So the girls have 28.
Hold on a second. So the
Boys have 38.
the boys were the darker one. That one is 28, I believe. Or is that one 38? Sorry. So 10, 21, 30. Yeah, so boys are 38.
And girls are 28.
Because of 28. So what is the difference then?
10, which means no, because the girls swim 28 lengths and the boys swim 38 lengths, leaving a 10 lengths in difference, not 7.
That's it. Great. Any questions here?
No.
So that was a big, difficult question. Alright, how about this?
Korean's writer class 2 dinners of her book her classmates are reading. Number of books: 15 adventure, 9 autobiography, 5 horror, and 12 comedy. The bar chart shows the information from the table. Connie has forgotten to draw all in the above, filling the labels on the horizontal axis and vertical axis for the missing bar. Okay, so I should probably do that. Okay, so then I use text. So then 2, 4, 6, 8. This is 8. So this is 8.
Okay.
This is 6. This is 4. This is 2. This is 10.
Yeah,
This
they'll
is
go up.
12, 14.
Yeah, I think you've got it. Yeah.
And then this here is 9. Wait, this one here is 9.
So let's say 9 there, but you'd have to say, is it like adventure, autobiography, that stuff?
Oh, okay. And then the tallest one is 15.
Okay, but which category is that? Which genre?
That's adventure.
So that one's adventure.
9 is autobiography. 9 is autobiography.
This one is autobiography. Mm-hmm. Go on.
And then the one that's 12 is the comedy.
Comedy is 12.
And the missing one is horror, and the bar is in between 4 and 6.
Yeah, I think you're good for that. So 4 and 6, and you go up for that one. Great. Any questions about that one? Hey, that's good. So what do you give yourself there?
I'll say nearly there.
I think you nailed it. We'll see. Okay. Let's try this one. You have to say how many matches did they win? How many did they lose? How many did they draw?
How am I supposed to know? The size for wins is 1/3. So 1/2 draw.
Mm-hmm.
1/2 draw.
So how many times did they draw?
1/3. So 24 divided. What's 24 divided by 3? Something above 12. 12. No, something lower than 12. 8, 16, 24. So 8. So the win is 8. 1 is 8. 1 is 8.
Mm-hmm.
The loss is 4.
Mm-hmm.
Loss is 4. And then the draw is is 12.
Well done. That's how you do this one. Yes. So half of 24 is 12. A third of 24 is 8. And so then this one was...
Five.
Oh, other way around, sorry.
Yeah.
8. And that
Yeah,
was 4.
8.
Okay, let's try this one.
So strawberries is 1/2. So that must be 16. And then this is divided up in a whole. 16 is half, leaving 16 left. And then I'm guessing apples is 1 more than bananas.
What do you notice about mangoes?
It's 1/4.
That looks like it's a quarter. So how many would that be?
Yeah, it's 1/4.
So,
Yes, 1/4.
right?
So 1/4 is 8. So then 16 add 8 is 24. So we got 24 done.
And what do you notice about these two?
they're both half a quarter.
Mm-hmm.
So then they're both 4.
Well done. 4, 4. There we go. Great. Any questions there?
No.
Good. How many children like apples the best? We just did this one. That was 4. Okay, let's try this. I think this will be fine. I think you'll be okay.
I'm in year 6.
I think you'd be fine with this question. This one looks like it might be more of a challenge. Yeah, let's try this.
A group of 60 children in year 4 were asked what they thought is their worst habit in class. Here are the results of the boys and the girls. 36 boys and 24 girls. Biting my nails, chewing. Girls were picking my nose, chewing my pen. Biting my nails. Boys was picking my nose, chewing my pen, and biting my nails. Okay, how many boys is chewing my pen? Okay, so I can tell that 1/2 and 1/4. So what's 1/2 and half? So half a quarter is 1/8.
Mm-hmm.
And 1/8 plus 1/2 is 5/8. So then picking my nose is 5/8.
So that's 5/8 of what?
Of 30 of 8 eighths.
Like so it's a group of 60 children. These are the boys and girls. Sorry, here it is. 36 boys. And so we want 5/8 of 36. How do we do that?
Okay, so
What would be 1/8 of 36?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
These aren't eighths. How many are there all the way around?
Not sure. How many are there around?
Hang on. So just question 8. Chewing my pen. How many boys said chewing my pen? So it's this one here.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
Mm-hmm.
12 parts. And 3 of those was chewing my pen.
Mm-hmm.
No, 4 of those was chewing my pen.
3.
3. Choose my nails and
And so how many boys? 36 in total. How many said chewing my pen?
Okay, so then I'm not sure because I don't know what 112 and 36 is.
It is 36 divided by 12.
6 divided by 12. 3.
And so 3/12.
So it's 3, 6, 9. So chewing my pen is 9. 9 kids.
Well done.
9 kids. 6 kids are biting my neck. Okay, wait. How many girls said biting my nails? 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 girls said that. Said biting my nails.
Biting my nails. Hold on. There weren't a total of 36 girls. How many were there?
24.
Yeah.
Okay. 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. So one
Hold on.
kid.
Hold on. It's 24 girls.
Oh, so one is 2. One's 2.
Mm-hmm.
So one. So then by the time there's 2, 4, 6 is 8. So 8 girls.
Well done.
But so and then Kuma claims that more girls than boys pick their noses if you get. I'm not sure who picks their noses or not, because it's a chart of what they think, not what they do.
Or that's what they're asking, like what do you think?
Oh, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 21, so picking up the nose. And then 2, 4, 6. He's incorrect.
And why is that?
Because 21 boys said pick my nose, and then 6 said 6 girls only said that.
So 21 is greater than, this one's going up in 2s, 2, 4, 6, was it?
Yeah.
Yep, great. Let's see, so you break it up into parts and then you divide it and multiply. Any questions there?
No.
A tricky one. So what do you give yourself for pie charts?
Nearly there.
Line graphs. I don't think we'll get to that one. I want to test our best. I want to do, the only one you really need is, where is it? I'll find it.
We're only doing one for my test.
I think just the one we skipped. Reflections was okay. Oh, this thing. There we go. Second.
Okay.
This one. Yeah.
So we're gonna do this one and this one only.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, this chart is favourite bit of German year 6 classes. Correction of children is like your dance the most. Half.
Yep. Part B. Does it mean like how many people like bananas, pears, and apples all together? Yep.
Okay. So bananas is half. So that must be 14.
Mm-hmm.
Apple is half a quarter.
Mm-hmm.
Then half a quarter. 7 is half of 7. Number 14 plus half of 7. Plus 3 plus 5. 3.5.
Hold on. So banana is 14. How many is apple? Oh, you're right. Yeah, that'll be 3.5.
But wait, does that mean that a kid was chopped in half?
No, it doesn't mean that. I think it's a bit difficult to see, but I think overall it is like this.
4.
It's basically 1/4 is apples and pears.
Oh,
So they,
which is 7.
yes. And so,
14 add 7 is 21.
hold on, that one is 21. So it might be because it's just kind of a bit vague. So it might be
Like,
this.
It's like it's not really real, so I guess it can be.
Well,
But if
this,
it was real, that would be.
I think apple might be 4 and pear might be 3. I think pear is a little smaller and it's just difficult to see it because they didn't give us the lines on the outside. So I think pear is actually 3 and apple is 4. I don't think they're exactly the same.
Ah.
And then line graphs we'll do
Paris fine things.
next time. But yeah, how was that for you, Henry?
Oh, quite good.
And so we're getting to the really difficult stuff, but that's the stuff we have to do. That's the stuff we haven't done. And so I was going to continue next time into like line graphs and stuff. How does that sound? Or did you want to do something else?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, and if you ever want to do something else, you can tell me.
Okay.
Any questions for me in general?
No.
All right, well done, Henry. You did great, and I look forward to doing it again next week. All right, have a good week. Goodbye.